Welcome to my channel, Being the One. My name is Harshit, and today we will see how to download and install Eclipse IDE. So for that, first click on the browser, click search for Eclipse download, click on this link, click on download 64-bit. Obviously, everyone would be having 64-bit system and operating system, very few might be having x86 version. So right now I will show you the 64-bit version. Click on download, download. So from this page it will download the setup. I am not going to download it because I have already downloaded. The setup file will be like this. Double click on over here. The Eclipse installer is getting started. So there are so many options for which you can use this Eclipse IDE. For us, it's like developing an enterprise level Java application. So I am going to select this one. You can define your JVM location, JVM and JRE location, and here you can define the installation folder where you want the installation file of this IDE should be kept. So let it be, for me, let it be like this only. Click on install. After a few seconds, the installation will get completed. Okay, so finally the installation has been successfully completed. Click on launch if you want to check whether the installation is successful. Here it's asking where you want to keep the project workspace. So for me, let it be the same. Click on launch. If you want, you can change the workspace location. So finally the ID is open. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you like it and you have learned something from this. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.